PowerPoint submission websites are just like article submission websites, except that instead of articles, you submit PowerPoint presentations. So should you still be using these? Probably the answer is no. Google recommends that you don't use this sort of marketing technique. Their actual phrase is they don't like large-scale use of this. So maybe half a dozen at the absolute most. I would say probably these days, one or two maybe, and then that's it, forget about them. Certainly in the past they used to work. Maybe 10 years ago this was a great way of building up links, but these days it's not really recommended at all, and used in excess they will damage your website's reputation with Google. Too many people have just tried using these sort of techniques to game the system, so Google takes a very dim view of things like article marketing and presentation sharing. So, if you must use them, maybe just 2, 3, 4 articles, 2, 3, 4 presentations, that's it. But used to excess, it will damage your reputation with Google. If you really want to use these, just go and do a search. I'll just bring up one to show you. So this one here is the PowerShow website. It's a well-known website. It's got an okay reputation within the business. And if you're going to use one, it's as good as any. But as I say, do use with caution, because you don't want to use this too much.